Today's recipe is English trifle with oranges and Grand Marnier cream. This dessert is usually served in glass cups or a large glass bowl so that the layers can be appreciated. Recipes for trifle dates back to the 1590s. This recipe incorporates seasonal fruits and alcohol, which is optional, and you can make this one day ahead. There are many different types of trifle. The ingredients are 12 medium oranges of any variety, but the blood oranges are particularly colorful, 1/2 cup Grand Marnier or other orange-flavored liqueur or orange juice, 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 1 cup whipping cream, 1/2 cup marmalade, and 2 10-ounce loaves of pound cake. In this instance, I couldn't find pound cake, and I bought 7 2-packs of Twinkies, and they work spectacularly. Zest 5 oranges and set aside. Cut the ends off all of the oranges. Set your orange down on a cutting board and follow the curve of the fruit and cut off the peel and the white pith. Work over a strainer in a bowl and cut out each segment, leaving the membranes behind. When finished, squeeze the membranes into the strainer to retain the juice. Repeat this until you have about 3 cups of orange segments and 1/2 cup juice. Place in separate bowls. Add the zest and 1/2 cup liqueur to the bowl of juice and set it aside. In a mixer, combine your cheese and cream until stiff peaks form. Then add 1/2 cup marmalade and whisk that in to blend. For assembly, make sure that you cut your Twinkies in half lengthwise, as you see, or use your pound cake and arrange 1/3 of it on the bottom of a 3-quart trifle bowl or other clear glass straight-sided bowl. Using a pastry brush, soak the cake with 1/4 cup liqueur mixture. Dollop 1/3 of the marmalade cream on top of the cake. Arrange 1 cup orange segments over the cream, making sure the widest part of the segment lies against the side of the bowl. Repeat with 1 more layer of cake, and then again. For the top layer, make sure that you pat the segments dry with a paper towel to absorb any excess juice so that it won't bleed across the cream. Chill well and enjoy.